everybody, how you doing? Thought I'd come back and show you a Hobby Lobby haul for fall. Since we're getting into fall, can you believe it? So, these frames were 50% off. These plaques, I should say. Not the frame, but, you know, the wall decor. Let's get it right, Daveda. You've only been there 9 years. Okay, so I did this one because it basically depicts the family. A little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, and a whole lot of love. And if you know my family, that's them. But what I want to do with this, you guys, now, for some of you that are new to my channel, thank you so much. Let me stop and say that right now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, let's get going. Subscribe, like, and share. What I want to do with this, guys, is I want to check it. Mackenzie Child. So I'm going to paint this part black and then do the Mackenzie Child check on it. And this will go into my family room. Okay? Now, I don't remember if I showed you this or not. If I did, just chalk it up to she's old, she doesn't remember. If I didn't, then good. I'm on top of it. Well, not really, because I've had this. This I did not buy just recently, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to show them because I don't think I showed them before. In my kitchen, I love chickens, so I have, and I know a lot of you, again, that have been with me, you've seen this. But what I keep looking at, let me show you this first. It says gather, eat, repeat, but I love these chickens. Look, I'll go slow. I love them. And this is on top of my refrigerator. But what I want to do is I'm going to check this as well. Because I haven't even done my Mackenzie Child haul from, you guys, I'm so embarrassed to say this, 2 years ago. The barn sale. I think it was 2 years ago. I'm almost positive. Well, anyway, it was the barn sale. And that's where you get everything 75% off. That's the way to do it. And so it's for my kitchen. So this coming new year, I'll be doing the Mackenzie Child in my kitchen, and I'll bring you with me. All that to say, I'm going to paint this, the black and white check, like you've seen me do before for the frame. So I just wanted to show you that. Also, we are having a sale right now, and the spring, I believe, is 66% off. So $19, 66% off of that. This I'm going to use in my craft room. This is perfect for my paintbrushes. Just turn it around for my good paintbrushes. I have paintbrushes, I'm sure, like a lot of you that do crafts. You have your good brushes, and then you have your brushes you've had forever that you just do, you know, painting, like base coating and all that. But isn't this perfect? Because you guys, I finally got, remember I've been talking about getting the wall unit for my craft room from IKEA? You guys, over 8 months I have been waiting because it's not been in stock. It finally came in stock and I had it delivered. I did not have it put together. I'm going to try to do it myself. Don't know how this is going to work. I might have the little guys come out and put it together, but I'm going to try it myself. But anyway, and then you'll see how this looks, because then I'm finally going to take you on a tour of my craft room. I mean, it's no great shake, okay? It's not like this. It's this big, beautiful craft room that some of the crafters have, but it is a room, and I'm thankful that I have it. Thank you to my oldest son. When he went to college and then got married, that room is what I took. And he said, "You didn't waste time, did you?" I just laughed. Anyway, white pumpkins. I may keep one of these white, but I have a feeling I'm going to check this as well. Because in my family room, it's Mackenzie Child. I got 2 of those. All of the fall, by the way, are 40% off. Oh, I'm going ahead of myself. Before I forget, I want to show you this too. Look at how cute. This is 66% off, but I am going to change her into Mackenzie Child. This little owl for fall. Isn't that adorable? And I'm not going to keep the pink. Like I said, I'm going to do the black and white because she's going in to my family room for fall. Then, this was regularly $3.99, right? 66% off. These are perfect if you do fake bakes to put your cupcakes on, or a brownie, or macaroons, whatever. So I got this. They had other colors, but I like white. Then I wanted to do, now these I'll make to where I can take them off, even if I want to decorate maybe a cake with these. Look at this little teapot, regular $3.99. They cost almost nothing, and they're glass. Look at these little cups. I might get a few more because I may do a wreath with these, with the glass for the kitchen. Aren't those cute? And then I got two of these. I do think I will. Well, I don't know. And these were only $2.99. I got to hurry up though because I'm afraid people are going to, you know, take these and, use them. They're adorable. All right, now let's go back to the fall. Okay, you guys know I like the gnomes. Look at these. And these were $3.99, 40% off. Look at this one. Isn't he cute with his brown plaid holding the acorn? And I'll incorporate these into my decor. This one's holding a pumpkin. And this one, a leaf, a fall leaf. Isn't he cute? I thought these were adorable. They're really nice looking. Then I got, the same old, some more pumpkins. I like this color green with this. I really do like that. These were $3.99, 40% off. And I love the stem. That's a nice stem. And look at these stems too. And these were $9.99, 40% off. Then I wanted to keep a little bit of the traditional, but it's very muted. As you can see, this isn't a bright orange. I don't want a bright orange in there. So these have, and they look like real leaves with the raffia and the little berries. Got two of those. And then I'll just add these to stuff that I already have. I thought these were pretty. These have the vibrant orange in the leaf. I don't mind the leaves having it. I just want the pumpkins themselves to be more muted this year. So I got 3 of those. Okay. And this one. So that is my fall from Hobby Lobby. Then a lot of the jewelry is going on sale, and they had this. This was normally $20, and it's just a little black purse. But when I go somewhere, sometimes you want black and something little. You don't want something big, right? If you're going to dinner or whatever. And it is a nice little clutch. Well, not really a clutch purse, but you know what I mean, little enough. But yeah, it was regularly $20, $4.99. Then I was marking down and putting up some of the jewelry for the clearance. And look at this. Isn't that pretty? $1.99, normally $8. And then I love rings, if you can't tell already. And these I'll use for my index finger. But these were $7, now $1.74. And then look at these, how pretty. And these were $18, and now they marked them down for $4.49. And then they had these that were $12 normally. And these are made with this Swarovski, am I saying Swarovski? Yeah, Swarovski crystals. These were $12 normally for $3.49. So, that is my haul, guys. That's it. But I did want to share it with you like I always do. I will be starting to decorate for fall this coming week. So you'll start seeing all of this being incorporated. And like I said, when I get my wall unit for my craft room up, you'll see where I put this. And what I decide to do, whether put this on a cake or put it on a wreath, I think this will be adorable for the kitchen. Until we get together again, guys, remember, don't ever forget this. The world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world. Nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.